What's up everybody, Marissa Romero here and welcome to the channel if you're new. In this channel we talk about all things make money online, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, anything really that has to do with putting money in your bank via the internet. So in this video what we're going to talk about is how to make money online without investing a dime, absolutely for free. There is definitely ways to make money online for free, and if I had to start over completely from scratch and I didn't have a cent in my bank account, this is exactly how I would do it. So first, what I would do is start with a method called affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and making a commission from it. So there's no fulfillment on your end, there's no startup costs with creating a product and testing a product and seeing whether or not the market likes the product. So it's literally really easy for you to start up an affiliate marketing business from scratch. Have an affiliate link that this company gives you, and that link is coded to your name. So whenever people click on that link, they basically it's cookied on their computer to your information. So even if they don't purchase that day, but yet they go back and try to Google the website, it'll automatically go redirect to your link and you will get the commission no matter what. So that is what affiliate marketing is. And there's plenty of websites that have digital products and courses and even physical products that you could promote. Number one that has physical and digital products, number one company in the world is Amazon Affiliates, where you can receive up to a 10% commission on any product on Amazon, digital or physical. In the make money online space and digital course and production and even marketing different events, you have clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, and there's literally hundreds of products for you to choose from to market. So I would recommend going to one of those websites to check out what they have. Back to making money online, without investing a dollar. Of course, what you need is free traffic source, and what you need, of course, is high quality free traffic, right? And so my number one recommended source for free quality traffic is, of course, what you're watching right now is, you're on YouTube. So I highly recommend YouTube as a free traffic source because billions, probably more than a billion people are online every day looking up stuff on YouTube, trying to figure stuff out. They're going on there for entertainment. They're going on there to learn how to do things. They're going on there to learn how to make money online. So what you want to do is establish your YouTube presence, build a channel around a specific niche. So my niche is make money online, but you can create an affiliate marketing business from any niche. It could be weight loss niche, it could be home and garden, business, finance, love, relationship. You could be a business coach, relationship coach, whatever it is. So you want to build up a channel, create an authority, and the way you create authority is giving value on that channel. So giving tips and tricks on how people can benefit from whatever it is they're looking for, and you want to create massive value, right? But then how you monetize those videos is by putting your affiliate links in the video. So over time you're going to gain a massive amount of subscribers because people are going to enjoy the value that they receive from your YouTube channel. So, and then once you make your first online sale from that first commission, you reinvest it back into the business, and now you're able to actually pay for traffic, or you're able to pay to get your videos ranked on SEO, or you're able to pay to get your videos to pay to what we call get backlinked. So what that means is your YouTube videos would be connected to other websites, which Google likes. They like to see social sharing signals is what they call it. So anyways guys, So that's my number one way to make money online for free when you're first starting out, is create a YouTube channel in a specific niche, start giving massive value on this channel, and then just select profitable products to market on that channel. All right. And what I mean by giving value is, if you look at the rest of my channel, I'm giving value every day with Make Money Online. So I'm teaching people how they can make money online and giving them ideas, teaching them how to fix things where they could be stuck. So if you guys are interested in my number one system to make money online through affiliate marketing, it'll be in the links below. It'll be the first link. And if that system were to be something you were interested in joining, you would get my Limitless Freedom Academy course absolutely for free. So that is a course from A to Z on how to build your internet marketing business from scratch, your affiliate marketing business from scratch. So it goes from teaching you how to brand yourself, to how to create a sales funnel, to how to create your YouTube channel, how to monetize it. So I go through that in depth. So anyway, guys, that's about it. If you like this video at all, if you got any type of value, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm Marissa Romero. I will see you in the next video.